Good morning, friends. Myself, R.B. Khapre, Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Entomology. Today, we have to discuss the methods of pest control or concept of integrated pest management. The term integrated pest control was first proposed by Bartlett in 1956 from California. Thereafter, Girer and Clark in 1961 proposed the term integrated pest management means the IPM. What is meant by IPM or definitions of IPM? IPM is the intelligent selection and use of pest control tactics that will ensure favorable economical, ecological and social consequence. Means use of different methods like chemical, biological, mechanical, physical, etc. Such methods are also used for control the pest, means the integrated pest management. History of integrated pest management. Mitchell, Batcher and Bacon in 1952 coined the term integrated control. Stern et al. In 1959 defined integrated control as applied pest control which combines and integrates biological and chemical control. Girer in 1966 coined the term pest management. Stages in crop protection leading to IPM. Subsistence phase only natural control. Exploitation phase applying more pesticides. Crisis phase due to overuse of pesticides. Secondary pest outbreak. Principles of IPM. First, classification and life history. Second, sufficient idea of the pest to be killed. Third, introduced pest. Fourth, crop value. Fifth, consumer pressure. Sixth, preventive control. 7. Community project. 8. New methods and material. 9. Extension. Stages of integrated pest management. Economically threshold level means ETL. ETL means population density at which control measures should be implemented to prevent an increasing pest population from reaching the economically threshold level. Next, EIL. EIL means economic injury level, means the lowest population density that will cause the economical damage. Preventive methods of IPM include the following, such as natural enemy, host plant resistance, cultural control, legal control, means the plant quarantine. And curative methods of IPM, physical and mechanical methods, inductive release of biocontrol agents, chemical insecticides. Tools or component of IPM. First, methods of IPM, cultural methods. In these methods, different agronomical practices are also used for control the pest like crop rotation, crop refuse destruction, tillage of soil, variation in time of planting or harvesting, pruning or training, fertilizer management, water management, intercropping and trap cropping. Host plant resistance, antigenosis, antibiosis and tolerance. Mechanical methods of pest control. In these methods, hand destruction, hand picking are done for control the big sized larva. Exclusion by screen, barriers, trapping, suction devices or collecting machines, crushing and grinding. Mechanical methods of pest control. Next methods, physical methods. Use of different physical factors like heat, cold, energy, etc. Light trap, irradiation, light regulation, sound. Biological methods. In these methods, use of different parasites, parasitoids, microbial organisms, vertebrates, etc. Protection and encouragement of natural enemy. Introduction, artificial increase and colonizing specific parasitoids and predators. Use of botanical like neem, pongamia, etc. Chemical methods, attractants, repellent, insecticides, organochlorine insecticide, organophosphorus insecticide, carbamates, pyrethroids, etc. Insect growth inhibitors, chemostimulants. Behavioral methods like pheromones. In these pheromones, different lure are also used like helilure, sporolure for control the Spodoptera and Helicoverpa. Allochemicals, genetic methods, release of genetically incompatible sterile pest, transgenic plant, legal or regulatory methods like plant and animal quarantine, eradication and suppression programs. Limitation or constraint in IPM are as follows: institutional constraint, informational, sociological, economic, political, etc. These are the concept, tools and principles of integrated pest management.